Okay, this video is the unboxing of the TEKTON digital tire gauge, 100 PSI. So this digital tire gauge has a lighted nozzle, batteries included, ready to use. It has 4 ranges, a lighted digital display, push button, ergonomic design, auto shut off, lighted nozzle. It's pretty cool, huh? 1-year replacement guarantee. All right. It says auto off 30 seconds. And that's it for my unboxing of the TEKTON digital tire gauge. If you don't have this in your car, better get one. Believe me, checking your tire pressure is very important if you want to save gas. Alright, don't forget to subscribe to my videos.